Hi, this is Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. The Brewery Art Walk, coming October 26th and 27th for 2019. Art at the brewery. If you see any properties that you'd like more information on, just let us know and we will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, house, or we'll arrange for a private viewing upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, then you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. Art at the Brewery, the world's largest art colony. Come visit the Brewer Gallery, featuring Bill Brewer, Winnie Brewer, Glenn Wagner, and Carrie Ross. Again, it's October 26th and 27th, 2019, at the Brewery Art Walk. Is just outside of downtown Los Angeles, in the neighborhood of Lincoln Heights. If you go to the LA Loft blog and find the Brewery Art Walk link for 2019, you'll also see this link. This will take you directly to the Brewery Art Walks page. The biggest community of artists opens studio doors to the public in this very special creative open house just outside downtown LA. And then you can watch this video. This is a great video that I just found. It's much more popular than the video that I shot of the Brewery Art Walk because this has interviews of artists and about the essence of being an artist there at the brewery. The 2019 Open Studio Weekend involves more than 100 participating resident artists displaying their craft work of design, illustration, printmaking, video, multimedia, mixed media, fashion, costume, jewelry, gallery, architecture, interior design, landscape, artisan, applied art, ceramic, sculpture, painting, photography, performance art, entrepreneurism, invention, engineering, and installation. See the new works and discover new favorites. Talk to the artists and get good deals on artwork directly from the artists at studio prices. It's this Saturday and Sunday at 622 Moulton Avenue. Make sure you stop by unit number G to meet Winnie Brewer. And it's in Los Angeles, 90031. Take a look. You can also get a free list of artist lofts. Just fill out the online form right here. It's a simple, short form. And here is the information about Winnie Brewer. And so that's it. And as I mentioned, a property information packet about any of these lofts, condos, properties is available upon request. Call 213-880-9910 now. Thanks for listening in. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks again. You take care. Bye-bye.